What's up, guys? Tired of carrying heavy coolers that hurt your hands and slow you down? Today on Tech Product, we are checking out the best insulated cooler backpack that keeps your food fresh and your drinks cold for hours. It is built for travel, outdoor fun, and busy days on the move. Let's get started. Meet the Maelstrom Insulated Cooler Backpack. This backpack is designed to give you convenience, durability, and a clean modern look all at once. The first thing that stands out is its high-density insulated padded material combined with an upgraded leak-proof liner. This smart insulation keeps your food and drinks hot or cold for up to 16 hours. That means your lunch stays warm and your drinks stay chilled through long trips, beach days, or outdoor events without worrying about quick temperature loss. Storage is another big highlight. The Maelstrom Insulated Cooler Backpack comes with multiple compartments that help you stay organized. There are two main compartments that can separate drinks and fruits, so everything does not get mixed together. A front zipped pocket is perfect for plates, forks, or other small items. On the sides, you get large pockets and a mesh pocket that can hold water bottles or even a wine bottle securely. Hidden pockets on the back give you a safe place to store your phone and other valuables, keeping them protected and out of sight. The main compartment is impressively spacious, measuring 17.7 by 11.8 by 7.1 inches. It can hold up to 35 cans along with snacks and other essentials. This generous capacity makes it suitable for short trips or even full-day outings. You can pack everything you need in one bag without feeling overloaded. Durability also plays a key role here. The Maelstrom backpack is crafted from heavy-duty nylon, which makes it strong yet lightweight. It can handle outdoor use without tearing easily, while still being easy to carry. In fact, it weighs just 1090 grams, so it does not feel bulky on your back. Comfort has clearly been considered in the design. The ergonomic shape, padded shock-absorbing back panel, and adjustable shoulder straps help reduce pressure on your shoulders. Even when the bag is fully packed, it feels balanced and comfortable for longer wear. There are also thoughtful extra features that make this backpack even more practical. It includes 10 webbing holes where you can hang tools or small accessories. A stretch cord on the strap lets you secure your sunglasses quickly. There is even a built-in bottle opener, which is always useful during outdoor gatherings. The front pocket features a hook and loop strap, allowing you to personalize the bag with flags or patches to match your style. The Maelstrom Insulated Cooler Backpack combines strong insulation, smart storage, comfort, and useful extras in one stylish package. It is designed to make carrying food and drinks simple and stress-free. Ready to upgrade your outdoor gear? Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. Do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more great finds. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.